Welcome to today's meditation. Today's focus is going to be on balance. I'm Nora Truscello from Into Intuition. Stop by my website and visit me one day. So, as always, our meditations start with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. And we're going to do a guided meditation, but a lot of this meditation, uh, I'll be speaking. There won't be much silence, just a few moments here and there. We want to bring balance between the different centers of energy. So we're going to balance between the third eye and the crown. We're going to bring that down to the throat and balance them to the heart, to the third chakra, and I can't think of its name, but don't worry about it, we'll get it, to the dantian, which is the second, and the root. So we're just going to kind of talk, and you're going to imagine a figure eight of energy moving between them, balancing them, bringing them into harmony. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to do a big exhale and take a deep breath in. And as you exhale this time, just relax, let go, and close your eyes. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us take a moment and just scan our bodies with our mind's eye and notice if there's any tightness or discomfort. Bring your attention to those places and invite your body to relax, let go, and release any tension. Take a moment and just finish scanning through. Now let us bring our attention to the beautiful stream of energy that flows from the top of our head out our feet. This river of light, this river of strength, of love, joy, peace. It is the spirit that breathes us. It is the spirit that gives us life. Let us follow the spirit down through our body, starting from the top of our head, coming down into the center of our head. Notice as it's coming in, as we follow the stream, our body relaxes even more and goes deeper into our throats, into our heart, spreading down our arms, into our solar plexus, just where your stomach is, down to your dantian, just below your belly button. Feel it move to the root right at the bottom of your spine, and allow it to travel out your feet. This energy is always there. It never stops. We're just bringing our attention to it. And we're going to take this divine energy that's coming in from the heavens, coming in from the highest spirit, and we're going to balance our body, balance our energy centers. So let us bring our attention back to the top of our head and our third eye. That's the place on our forehead between our eyebrows. Feel and imagine a figure eight moving between your third eye and the top of your head, the crown. Feel it going back and forth. Watch the energy move in like a figure eight, the infinity sign. And let us sit here for a moment as we bring it into balance with each other. You may even start to feel a beat as the movement of the energy goes from one side of the infinity sign to the next. Now let's take that beautiful movement and bring it down to our throat chakra and begin a figure eight between our throat chakra and the center of our head. Just follow the energy. Let it bring itself into balance. We're bringing the divine from our third eye and our crown into our will center, our throat. We're balancing it. We're being more accepting to God's will. Now let's take that energy and move it from our will center, our throat, to our heart. Right in the middle of our chest is the heart energy center. Let's just figure eight between our heart and our throat. Let's bring into balance our will and God's will with our heart. Beautiful, gentle figure eights. Now we'll move from our heart to our solar plexus, which is about 3 inches above our belly button, and bring these into balance. Bring our solar plexus into balance with all the other energy centers above it by connecting to the heart with a figure eight. Now from our solar plexus, let's move down to our second chakra, the Dantian, just below the belly button. And again, a figure eight between the solar plexus and the second chakra. And finally, from the second chakra to the root, the bottom of our spine, just make a connection as a figure eight. Just go back and forth between these two energy centers. See it and feel it. And notice now, look up and notice that all of the centers are connected like links of light all moving through a figure 8 to the next. Now let's just move them all together, noticing like a chain reaction. They're all just connected and moving perfectly in balance, mind, body, and spirit. And before closing this perfectly balanced time, we invite our energy to stay strong, connected, and in balance always. And we are thankful and grateful to the divine for providing us this time. And now we close with the 23rd Psalm as we bring our attention fully back into our bodies. Please say it with me if you know it. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Some meditations I just don't want to end, and this was one of them. Join me and over on my website, check it out, give me some feedback, and remember to like and share this meditation. If we can get half our friends on Facebook meditating, we'll change the world. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye. Oh, see you Monday.